Nearpod is the perfect two-in-one app. This amazing app gives teachers a creative platform for delivering an interactive lesson and also for assessing their students. Nearpod's available in the Chrome Web Store, Windows, as well as Google Play. One of the greatest features of Nearpod is that it offers plenty of ready-to-use lessons that have been created by distinguished publishers and educators such as CK12 and Time for Kids. This will save teachers precious time in preparing lessons, and be aware that some of the lessons do cost money, but many of them are free. To show you how Nearpod works, let's take a look at a lesson and see how a two-in-one device would aid perfectly for both the teacher and the student. To begin a lesson, this teacher has to simply click on Live Session, and then that will project a 5-letter PIN for students to enter. The teacher controls the lesson, so as the teacher goes through the slides on their screen, the students will see them on their devices. The first thing that will happen is the students will be asked to enter their name. It's important to know also that there is an option to move students through a lesson at their own pace, which is assigning the lesson as homework. But I'm going to demo a live lesson at this time. And the first thing I can do is ask the students a poll. So students right now have a poll question in front of them. They can answer, and it will show up directly in front of the teacher. It'll also show a pie graph over here. I can share this in a share button with the rest of the class anonymously if I'd like. You can see right here, I have just me in the classroom, but I can see one person had said yes. And then I can unshare it and continue through the lesson. I can give content with text and images. I can also insert video links if I wish. I can ask questions periodically as I go. And again, as a teacher, I can see the results, see a graph, and also share this anonymously with the rest of the students in the class. As I continue on through the lesson, one of the options I have is to actually ask for a text response rather than a multiple choice. Here the students have a text box in which they can actually type in their answer. So as you can see, my answer showed up. I can share this with the rest of the class. Again, it will show up anonymously. It will not tell whose answer that is. It'll just show the answer itself. A few other options that you have in a Nearpod lesson are to give the students a link to a video, or you can project this video directly in front of the class if you'd like. Another option is to have the students work in pairs. So you can tell them we're going to have an activity. You have 6 minutes to work. In 6 minutes, I'll open the platform in the lesson for you to type in your answers. Another really great feature is a slideshow. Here the students can navigate through the slideshow that you've created at their own pace just by clicking on the different numbers on the sides. This can be used as a review or to introduce new information. You can also give students a quiz. The teacher can view in real time the progress as the student moves through, showing which answers are correct and which ones are incorrect. Another great feature is that you can have a draw it, where students using their touch screen can actually do a physical drawing within Nearpod. So as you can see, I added myself twice. Here's my drawing. I could easily, as a teacher right now, click on this and play these just like a slideshow. I could share this with the entire class and go through and play each of these as a slideshow and show what everybody else's response was. Nearpod makes creating lessons simple and easy with either a tablet or a laptop. A teacher can import their own content from an already created PowerPoint, PDF, video, or other files. Nearpod allows a teacher to add various content such as a slide, a video, a slideshow, or even an interactive activity such as a open-ended question, a poll, a quiz, or draw it. Lessons are saved to a teacher's library for easy future access, and they can also be shared with others. I highly recommend using Nearpod in any two-in-one device classroom as an app that provides both the teacher and the student with an engaging and interactive experience, and it will take advantage of both the laptop and the tablet. I'm confident you will find this app to be a must-have for your digital toolbox.